All right, do you guys think that you're eating healthy, but you're not seeing the pounds come off? Are you trying to make better choices and healthier decisions, but not seeing any results? Well, I might have the solution for you. I had a client the other day that was going to places like Chipotle and Bole and Fresh Kitchen, all pretty good choices. Certainly better than some fast food restaurants. So we took a look deeper into what he was choosing. Things like teriyaki bowls or Chipotle bowls. And lo and behold, my hypothesis was right. Way too much sodium. Sodium is a killer. You might think that you're choosing better things. That sodium is helping you retain so much weight in water. You know that our daily sodium intake should be somewhere around 2,000 to 2,300 milligrams? That's one Chipotle bowl for you. I printed out some of the nutritional information for Panera Bread. A great spot. But let's take a look at the sodium. 1,400 milligrams, 2,100 milligrams, 1,900 milligrams, 3,850 milligrams, 2,390 milligrams, 2,310 milligrams, 4,590 milligrams. The list goes on and on. Everybody likes Shake Shack, right? 1,250 milligrams of sodium, 1,280 milligrams of sodium, 1,540 milligrams of sodium, 3,030 milligrams of sodium, 4,110 milligrams of sodium. There's another spot called Bole. Seems pretty healthy. 1,666 grams of sodium, 1,562 grams of sodium, 1,337 grams of sodium. This is for the lemon chicken and kale wrap, mojo pork wrap, the miso tofu and kale wrap. All have healthy names. Almost your daily intake of sodium, if not more. For those of you that aren't aware, too much sodium could lead to heart disease, strokes, and helping you retain all those unwanted pounds. Hope these tips help and follow for more.